Hello, welcome to Nerellan Auto Parts Plus. I have here a 2010 Series 2 VE Commodore Sv6 Sports Wagon, 3.6 LLT motor, automatic, and it's had a little whack in the front here. It's a tidy car, it's got a good tailgate, set of doors, nice cloth trim, there's two good 19-inch wheels, a couple of light marks on them, very clean inside there. Slight electrical fault, we've got the engine running so we can test it. Couldn't start off the key for some reason. Where are we? 261110. Nice clean car. There's our damage there. Got a good right headlight, right mudguard. As I said, set of doors. Got the engine running. And we have 159,980 kilometres on the clock. Full map navigation is not available, so I haven't optioned it up. But there it is. One Series 2 Sv6 Wagon for dismantling at Nerellan Auto Parts Plus. You can give us a call on the number on the wall, 02-46461-733 for those who can't read or count. Give us a call. Okay, moving on. Thanks for watching and bye for now.